One of the more difficult types of problems that you may encounter on the ACT involves finding graphs of scenarios that involve changing rates. In this video, we're going to go over in detail one such type of problem. Mary, Jane, and Peter each make widgets. Mary makes 1 widget per hour, Jane makes 1 widget per hour, and Peter makes 2 widgets per hour. They all start making widgets at the same time. After 1 hour, Mary leaves for 3 hours. After 3 hours, Jane leaves for 2 hours. After 4 hours, Peter leaves for the rest of the day. Mary and Jane both finish working 6 hours after the start of their day. Compose a graph that shows n, the number of widgets made, as a function of t, the number of hours after everyone starts working. So there's a lot to unpack here. So what I recommend doing in this type of situation is to make a table that shows the different rates that are occurring at different times in the day. So we have Mary, we have Jane, we have Peter, and we have a total. And we know that the day is 6 hours long maximum, so let's put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So let's fill in how many widgets Mary makes throughout the day. So she makes 1 widget per hour. So in the first hour, she makes 1 widget. But then after 1 hour, she leaves for 3 hours. So she doesn't make any for the next 3 hours. Then she finishes 6 hours after the start of her day. So that means when she comes back, she makes 1 widget and 1 widget. Jane also makes 1 widget per hour. So for the first hour, she makes a widget. For the second hour, she makes a widget. And for the third hour, she makes a widget. As the problem states, after 3 hours, she leaves for 2 hours. So she's going to make 0 widgets and then 0 widgets. Then she finishes 6 hours after the start of her day, so she finishes off by making 1 more widget. Now Peter makes 2 widgets per hour. So he's going to make 2 widgets, 2 widgets, 2 widgets, and 2 widgets, and then he stops after 4 hours and makes no more widgets for the rest of the day. So now we have a table of rates. Now let's find the total rate of widgets made after every hour. So for the first hour, 4 widgets get made, then 3 for the second, then 3 for the third, 2 for the fourth, 1 for the fifth, and 2 for the sixth. So now we have the rate per hour for every hour. So we have changing rates every hour. So now we should be able to fill in some points. So in the graph, after the first hour, we've made 4 widgets. The second hour, we make 3 more widgets. The third hour, we make 3 more. The fourth hour, we only make 2 more. The fifth hour, we make 1 more. The sixth hour, we make 2 more. And then every hour after that, we make no more. So what we can do now is combine all of these points to get our final graph.